We would like to give a special thanks to LEGO for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at LEGO Friends for ages 6 to 12. LEGO Friends has a race car theme. And with these playsets, these girls are ready to roll. This is the Spinning Brushes Carwash. It has 325 pieces. The Service and Care Truck has 247 pieces. The Drifting Diner has 345 pieces. This is the Creative Tuning Shop with 413 pieces. And here is the Big Race Day for ages 7 to 12 with 648 pieces. Oh, and the Spinning Brushes Carwash also says ages 7 to 12. So the other ones say 6 to 12, but these two say 7 to 12. Well, I guess we better start building. Let's start with the small one, if 247 is considered small. Wow, that took a while, but thanks to the help of Movie Magic, we'll have the other sets built in a snap. Movie Magic. No, seriously, that took me like several hours. This is the Service and Care Truck. It comes with Olivia. If you take her helmet off, her hair goes too. She has a large truck that has a bed and a little ramp that can be lowered, so she can drive her race car up onto the bed and transport it wherever she likes to go. Her truck has all kinds of cool little stuff like a fire extinguisher and lots of tools. I believe this is a speed bump, so you can watch for little furry friends, Olivia's robot. And this is a cool little device that helps the cars to go. Just push the car in place, then push the lever to watch it go. So that's pretty cool how you can build your own little machine that works. The Drifting Diner comes with Andrea and Dottie. The diner has a lot of windows. There's a giant hamburger on top. You can open the door and go inside. There is a milkshake machine and you can pull the little lever. That's kind of cool. There is a cash register and a little place for the waitress to leave the order. We have a little grill with some eggs, some seasoning, and some ketchup and mustard. There are stools so the friends can eat on the other side of the counter. And here is a small booth that is shaped like a car, and it looks like someone already ordered a hamburger and some french fries. Outside the diner, there is a large TV so they can watch the race. Andrea can switch from having her hair down to wearing a helmet, so she can get into her race car and take off. Emma is getting fancy at the Creative Tuning Shop. There's even a spray can on the top of the building. This shop is all about customizing your cool car. You get Emma and a cat. This is Dean, and he is totally ready to help out. He has his tools here, and each of the little drawers they do come out. There you go. Oh, dropped all the tools. Everything is just so tiny. And yeah, I messed up my nail polish building these Legos. But there is no time to worry about your nails when you're customizing cars. What I really like about this set is that a lot of the stuff moves. There's a little dial on the back of this door that allows you to slide it open and closed. You can raise the car on the lift and lower it again. I like the little open sign. Everything is so retro. We can go into the tuning shop. There is a door on the side. On the inside, one of Emma's creations are on display, and it turns, showcasing its awesomeness. I like the little trophy in the corner, and look, lights. We have some tools on the side, and it looks like cans of spray paint. There is an upstairs. I think this is an office. There's a desk, and it looks like a computer with like some diagrams of how to build the car. Here's some sketches on the side. You can see little post-it notes. A small table with some snacks. I think that's a drink, a cookie, and a banana. 2 stools, so the friends can work together, because there's nothing like a little teamwork. Now that we've created the perfect machine, it's time for the big race day. This is the one that had 648 pieces. We have 3 friends, Vicky, Stephanie, and Mia. They all have their own personalized cars that have matching launchers. We just put that there and take off. Oops, I think we forgot the driver. Hey, that's my car! Here's the starting line. Got some lights, a little flag, a tiny bit of green grass, and over there is the finish line. Super fancy with all of those little lights. There's a little sign, I think that says "Caution, Bunnies Crossing." We have some flowers, and this little gate just swings right open. I bet we could have a race, and whoever opens the gate first wins. This playset doesn't come with a track, but I can't have my race cars on the grass, so we'll just use a little piece of black paper. It's not a very long race, but you know, let's see how it goes. Drivers to the line. I don't know actual racing talk, so yeah, bear with me. On your mark, get set, go! Yeah, that was pretty slow. Wow, she didn't even make it across the finish line. All right, let's try this one more time. On your mark, get set, go! Still in last place. Now the winner can come over here to collect their trophy. This building has a lot of stuff going on. I think these are fireworks or fancy lights at the top. Wait, it has this little lever here, so when you push it, oh, yeah, that happened. There are trophies for first, second, and third place. Behind the trophies, it looks like there's a little watchtower room with walkie-talkies and a map of the track. Down below, we can go inside. There's a bouquet of flowers, a water cooler, some lockers. On the side, there is a bathroom with toilet paper and everything. And this playset comes with 3 little pets, a bunny, a dog, and a cat. I just won $10,000! I'm going to Legoland! Woohoo! And before they head home, they can stop at the Spinning Brushes Car Wash. And Zach looks ready to give you a helping hand. This looks like a place to charge the car. Way to be green, Mia. Then we can drive the car onto the car wash. Thanks, Mia. I can handle it from here. Turn the dial on the side to get the car nice and clean. There is a window on the side so you can see the car going through the car wash. That is so cool. And it comes out the other side. And we have some fans to dry it off. While waiting, Mia can go inside and grab a snack. Look, there's a little vending machine, a cash register, and that looks like some drinks over there, like coffee, and a little croissant. With a clean car and a snack, it's time to go home. There is a lot to do with these playsets, and I really like how a lot of the pieces work and move. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Lego Friends. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.